Welcome to Autos Insight, your go-to channel for car maintenance tips and expert insights. Today, we're talking about a crucial component of your vehicle's exhaust system, the catalytic converter. If it gets clogged, your car's performance can take a serious hit. Let's break down the signs, causes, and fixes for a clogged catalytic converter. The catalytic converter is a part of your exhaust system that helps reduce harmful emissions. It converts toxic gases like carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into less harmful substances before they exit your tailpipe. Over time, however, it can become clogged, restricting airflow and affecting engine performance. One of the first signs of a clogged catalytic converter is a loss of power and per acceleration. A blockage in the converter restricts exhaust flow, making it harder for your engine to breathe. If you notice sluggish acceleration or your car struggling to reach higher speeds, the catalytic converter might be the culprit. Another common sign is the check engine light. Modern vehicles have oxygen sensors that monitor emissions, and a clogged converter can trigger this warning due to high exhaust back pressure or an improper fuel-air mixture. Reduced fuel efficiency is another symptom to watch for. When the exhaust system is clogged, the engine has to work harder, burning more fuel than usual. If you've noticed a sudden drop in your miles per gallon, it could be due to a failing catalytic converter. You may also hear rattling noises coming from the exhaust. If the internal components of the converter break down due to excessive heat or damage, they can create a metallic rattling sound when you start the car or accelerate. In severe cases, a clogged catalytic converter can cause overheating. If the converter traps excessive heat, it can glow red hot under your car. A strong burning smell or extreme heat near the exhaust system is a serious sign that should not be ignored. Another major warning sign is excessive exhaust smoke with a rotten egg smell. A faulty converter can lead to thick smoke and a strong sulfuric odor from unburned fuel, indicating that it's not breaking down harmful gases properly. Several factors can cause a catalytic converter to clog. Excessive carbon buildup from poor combustion can lead to deposits restricting exhaust flow. Oil or coolant leaks into the exhaust system can also contaminate the converter, causing blockages. A rich fuel mixture due to a faulty oxygen sensor or bad fuel injectors can send too much unburned fuel into the system, clogging the converter over time. Additionally, driving short distances frequently can prevent the catalytic converter from reaching the necessary temperature to burn off carbon deposits, leading to buildup. If you suspect a clogged catalytic converter, there are several potential fixes. In some cases, driving at highway speeds for an extended period can help burn off excess carbon deposits. Using a catalytic converter cleaner, such as a fuel system additive, can also help break down buildup inside the converter. Checking and fixing other engine issues, such as faulty oxygen sensors, spark plugs, or injectors, can prevent further clogging. If the blockage is severe, a professional mechanic may need to clean or replace the converter, which can cost anywhere from $500 to $2,500, depending on the vehicle. A clogged catalytic converter can hurt your car's performance, fuel economy, and emissions. Recognizing the warning signs early can save you from costly repairs. If your car is showing these symptoms, don't ignore them. Take action before it leads to engine damage or total converter failure. Have you ever experienced catalytic converter issues? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car maintenance tips.